Wow.
So it's like right back here. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, there's like a sewer drain here. It's a bit odd. Oh, wow.
You have to take a long way. You guys got shoes, I don't.
Adina, I'm just staying here. AJ, you were going down here pretty fast. Were you able to stop before you jumped over this?
You jumped over this?
No.
AJ in his chivalrous manner. Well. There's a random metal pipe there.
Really?
Yeah, I saw it.
Random metal pipe here?
No. There.
Oh.
Actually, it's almost shaped like a boomerang. AJ, do you think if I throw this, it could come back to me? Never mind. Dina, how would you save them? You're all the way over there.
If I fall in, this is the shore.
Which there basically is on the shore. It's like half foot of water, Dina.
This smells horrible. It wasn't me.
Yeah, don't fall in.
It would reek.
If you would fall in, and it would be bad.
There's sign that says, watch out for sewer.
Where does the sign say?
What?
Jenna, where do you see the sign?
There's a sign right there. She saw it when she was coming down.
What did it say? It said, watch out for sewer overflow. And that sewer thing leads right to ew, I gotta get out of it.
Wow.
Gross.
There. Golf ball.
Golf ball.
Orange. Neon orange.
Is it in the water?
Right to your right, to your right.
There. You colorblind.
I am colorblind.
There. There. Dina sees it.
There it is. You know, it is covered in quite a bit of dirt.
No, don't throw it to me. Keep it down there real quick.
He wants to use it.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you put them out of bounds at a magic mountain. They go down a river.
Actually, it's making money. This is actually how I used to make money. There was a golf course down in my house.
Fun stuff. Fun stuff.
We just went there and fished them out. I think I see another. Hey, Adina, straight ahead of you, along the shore, is that a neon orange golf ball? Or is that a leaf?
There's a bunch of odd stuff around here. There's a brick. There's this odd bent pipe. Golf ball. Yeah, I was gonna try to throw it, but I'm like, eh. I'm gonna throw it. Wait, how do you throw them? Here goes nothing, folks. Here, real quick. Here we go. Apparently, metal can't come back to you. Who knew? Oh yeah, the golf ball's right there, though. Yeah. Did you find a second one? Oh no, you just went to the live there.
There's about a ton up there.
Now it smells like that odd, like muddy sea breeze. He's mocking us.
Down. I'll take you and chase it back this direction.
Totally missed it. He's chasing after the cat, folks. We stole his stuff. Dina, why must you be such a thief? Whoa! Cat just ran. AJ, the cat ran this way. Oh, I guess it does have a home. Mystery solved. Jenna, what is your response on this?
I don't know.
Good response. AJ, the cat ran behind you. You got outsmarted by the cat. It's a better ninja.
Actually, chased him out of the thing.
Oh, well then bravo, sir. You chased it back to a house, which it probably might live in or it might not.